Helium 10 has a free Chrome extension which I've been using for years, and it's this one just here. Now what it does when you're on the product page like this, it shows you the history of the BSR and the price, as we can see just here, which is extremely helpful when you're doing research. But today I'm going to be saying bye-bye to Helium 10 because there's a brand new, also free tool which is now available. Now, the tool in question is by SelfPublishingTitans. Now, it's not a standalone tool, but they've actually updated their Titans Quickview tool just here, which now has this just here. So, let's come over to Facebook for a minute because I want to just quickly go over this post, which was by Corvin, which is actually the creator of these tools and in his Self-Publishing Titans group. So, it says new free KDP tool upgrade. So this is the biggest upgrade to our tool since 2019, and we are so excited to share it with you. Now, the Titans Quickview Chrome extension now shows a BSR graph, price change graph, and review count graph, all in one for every product page on Amazon. So for the last 5 months, we have been working on major upgrade to our Chrome extension, and we finally finished it, and it's live on the Chrome extension. Now, if you already have Titans Quickview, it says just here, you might have to uninstall and reinstall if the upgrade was not automatic. Now, Helium 10 offers something similar, and again, that's actually the tool which I've been using for years. But they do not have review data. Now, there are a couple of other softwares that also have BSR data, graphs, but they are charging for this information on a monthly basis. So, we wanted to make this tool free for everyone. So again, this tool is completely free, but you do need a Self-Publishing Titans account. Now, the Chrome extension is this one just here, which is the Titans Quickview. Now, this Chrome extension, if we take a look at it, this is what it is just here. This is what it usually does. So normally, if you have the free version, let's click on there, it's going to give you a niche score, it's going to show you the total results, it's going to tell you if there's an exact match for your keyword in the titles on the first page. It also shows you how many books are independently published, along with bestseller rank, reviews, and price. Now, this is a really great tool. Even the free one is, and also Titans Pro. But now, this tool, when you open a product page here on Amazon, I have this one just here for Fashion Colouring Book for Girls, which, if we take a look here, has a demand of 5 and an opportunity of 6. If we go on to the free version, it has a niche score of 51. So this looks like a pretty good niche. But again, if we open the product page of one of these colouring books and scroll down, we now have this BSR graph. Now what we can do, we can actually scroll in on this to zoom in and zoom out. We can change by 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, 1 year, and all time. Now it shows us the BSR graph, the list price, the new price, and the review count. Now, if you don't want all of these, you can simply just click on one of them and it's going to remove it. We can remove the list price as well and just have the BSR and the new price. Again, a tool like this is amazing for doing your research because we can see if there's any times of the year where certain products or books pop off. So we can see just here, if we zoom in, that usually around November to January, this book does pretty well. Now, unlike Helium 10, it also has the review count. So what we can do, we can turn all of the others off like this, and then just have the review count. So we can see all of the reviews coming in over time. And as you can see, this book actually gets quite a lot. So I just wanted to share that with you because I think this is a really great update for the free Chrome extension. And if you already have this Chrome extension, but it's not showing up, just make sure to uninstall it and reinstall it, and also make sure that you have it turned on just here as well on the Chrome extension. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.